if you're thinking about picking up the sport of running, there is nothing to be fearful about. You probably heard that running is bad for your knees. Running is not bad for your knees, your joints, or your heel. What is bad is the runner. There are 3 reasons why beginning runners, new runners, experience those pain. One is we have weak lower body muscles like quad, hamstring, glutes, and calf. And when you have those weak muscles, your body compensates. Second, new runners don't allow enough time for their body to adapt to the new stress, the new load. And they increment their training at a much faster rate than what their body can adapt to. And third, new runners, without proper experience and coaching, they may be running with the incorrect form. And when you run with the incorrect form, you could be landing in the incorrect spot. You could be using a different part of your body that you shouldn't be doing, and therefore causing all those joint and pain. How do I know that? As a first-time runner back in 2024, when I trained for my half marathon, that's exactly what caused my heel pain, what caused my right knee pain. I didn't allow myself enough time to train for the half marathon. I increased my training increment too fast, too quickly. Instead of 5 to 10% increment, there are some weeks I went 15 to 20% faster than the previous week or longer than the previous week. And then my lower body muscle would not adapt to be able to run that long of a distance. That's because with herniated disc L4 and L5, my back specialist back then recommended that I avoid any type of squat exercises, any twisting and turning, because that could aggravate the disc. So for a very long time, I neglected my lower body. I had weak calf, weak quad, weak hamstring, weak glute. And of course, naturally, our body compensates using different part of our body. And then as far as running form, I wasn't an efficient runner. It took a lot of effort to move a certain distance. But now, with the correct form, it takes less effort for me to run the same distance or even longer distance. So if you want to pick up the sport of running, there is nothing to be fearful about. I would be more fearful of sitting on a couch, the comfort of a couch, with the phone in your hand or remote in your hand, watching television. That's what caused arthritis. That's what's caused pain. It's lack of movement, not movement itself.